Alright, live people. Recording is on. Oh, did we start already?
Yeah?
Why am I over here?
What happened to the warm-up?
We don't have any warm up.
Why am I in B bomb?
I see you guys on the top. Triple went flying down to A.
God damn. Look at it. Where's the guy at?
He's right in front of us on the road. He's down, man down. Or tango down.
Oh, there's one in the building. Watch that door. Got him? Oh, there's one in there. Got one? Hey, crap. He's dead? Should I throw a frag in there?
Throw one in there.
This explodes!
He's inside.
Frick,
He's
I
inside.
missed!
There's two in there. There's two in there. There's another one still. There's two more. There's two more.
Well, I probably just demolished
One left. One left.
Hey!
Got him? There's two left!
He's down. He's
Right
down.
back.
There's one outside. One outside.
I got clapped.
Move it, go!
I got clapped.
Look! Ah!
PSL.
Oh shit! I got clapped.
Look!
I'm stuck over here.
Oh, Hopper
I don't know, I
killed
can't
me.
even move.
Oh, we got a
No,
player,
damn it!
guys. We got a player on our team.
PSL.
You guys see where I'm at?
I'm dead. Let me see. How do you change camera? Who am
Why
I
does
watching?
it
Oh
say
yeah,
what
I
we-
see you. I see you.
Oh, I'm gonna get kicked. Inactivity.
Why? Oh.
Ooh, and then he probably just left PSL.
Oh, he took. Oh, why'd you get kicked? Oh, for not moving.
I was stuck. Yeah, I was stuck on that B site. I couldn't move. I don't know why it spawned me there.
Dude, look at PSL. He's got 531. It's like fucking up there. What do you have? You
Me, I'm at 166.
Where are we going? Auschwitz? I
What you
picked
guys do?
random.
I put random too.
We
Ooh,
were
classy.
La Croissine. La Croissine neighbor. La Croissine. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm at the mansion.
I'm gonna go. Oh, where's that guy? Huh? Okay. Deploy.
Alright, this is it!
Did he just... Did he just like clap you like 200 times, Ava?
Yeah, but we're not live yet. There we go.
Be safe, okay?
Yo, they didn't wait for me?
What do you
Check
mean?
your weapons!
Where are you at?
I'm right behind you. I'm coming. Chill, Ava. Chill. Chill. Hey, but you said this?
Oh, I see one in the window. Oh man, I hate this scope.
Which one is it? Oh, the hollow side?
Yeah,
You hear that one?
for close combat.
Different close. No.
There's more in front of ours. In front of A. Couple of them running towards from the left.
Probably because they're scared. Oh, one on top.
Yeah, I can't shoot that guy. Or is that our guy or?
How do you throw a grenade?
F? Grenade, oh my god.
Wait, was that my dad?
No.
Abel.
No,
We gotta win.
it was the enemy. It came out from their window.
That's a little suspicious.
Well, that gives me time to go to the restroom real quick.
What happened to Triple Kill's rank? Wasn't he like rank 8 or something?
No, I leveled up. That's what happened.
Hey! Hello!
Get away from spawn!
There's only PSL. The lowest gear in this game?
Yeah, this guy sucks. Man.
How much he was in our Discord right now?
The only way we could talk to him is, how do you talk again in this game? Is it V?
V.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's V.
What happened? We lost?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that guy PSL is not that good.
Keep it tight.
Plus,
Yeah.
he's like the goodest rank.
How come I can't move?
We'll see you. Bye
Oh, you see, that's what
bye.
happened to me last one.
Okay, there I go.
There you go. Now who has to die here? Because I got a grenade launcher.
I guess I'm just gonna follow PSL.
Oh, we got another player inside. 6 of
Who
us
is it?
now.
Mandarin?
Yeah. It's gonna start getting harder.
Oh wait, we got actually like 18 guys. Per box, we got 18. Which there's one in the window.
I deleted him.
Oh, there's one! Oh, got deleted. I'm watching you, Abel. I'm watching.
I'm going up, I'm going up. Throw a grenade. Who's got a grenade?
They're on the bottom floor too.
I'm loading.
Watch out!
Changing my magazine.
Get back, Cable, get back! I threw a grenade in there.
I'm on the first floor.
We're on the
Shit, they're all
second.
coming from up there.
We're on the second.
Keep moving.
I'm inside the second. I'm inside the second capturing.
I got swarmed.
We have
We'll get you right now.
Is it just us, Cable?
Come on.
Yeah.
Yep, just us.
Quick, Cable!
Open. Again.
We got
We're capturing. We got you guys.
Help me. I'm in the kitchen. Help me. Help. Medic. Medic.
We're about to get them all back.
Oh, he had a grenade in his hand.
We have to defend!
Clear.
Defend!
They didn't like that.
Watch out.
I'm closing the door. That's right. Oh. I have a...
Oh, what's the
Coming
do?
out.
Oh, damn.
Clap by a noggin monster. Got clapped by a noggin monster.
Oh, PSL left.
What
What
is
a
it?
win.
Oh shit! Oh, son of a gun. You probably said these newbies.
Bro, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Oh, we still got mages.
All right then, get ready.
I'm ready.
Ready. Come on then.
I'm up top.
Cover me. I'm reloading.
Got one. Got the second one.
If I could throw a grenade through there. Oh, that went right in there.
There's one behind the van, watch out. Didn't like that.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Sorry
I
about
feel like
that.
downstairs is a death wish. We'll go upstairs.
We're going upstairs. We're going.
I'm on Alpha.
Oh god damn it, he was right behind the damn wall. Gunner got killed by a gunner.
Alright, reloading.
Alpha's clear. We
There's
got
like 4 outside the door, Liam.
Good check. Hold out.
Shoot, I don't have no molly.
Careful. Grenade out.
I threw a grenade. I threw a grenade.
Oh, Mondo got clapped.
Yeah. Downstairs.
Where he's dead.
We lost someone!
Ah, I'm down.
Uh-oh.
I think the Vector is a fast one, Ava. It's a fast one. We put on semi-auto. Full auto. Pretty fast.
Team,
What?
he made it.
What happened there? Oh, it was
He got
the
suicide. Yeah, he got
suicide, huh?
suicide. Oh, look at that. Brian Kobe.